So when we like to garden, and when it comes time to watering our garden, I've got this, this hose kind of thing here on this nice little hanger, but you've got to unwrap it, stretch it out, it gets kinked, got to roll it back up. It's a pain in the butt. So I've decided to buy a retractable reel that we're going to bolt onto the wall. The swivels 180 degrees, so with enough hose I can fit to the back corner of the backyard as well as to the front yard way down there. So let's go unbox and see what it looks like. I guess you pronounce it Ayleid. I don't know. It's a Chinese brand, but it looked like it had good ratings. It was a good price at Amazon. You can find the link to the product in the comments of this video. Oh, and by the way, please subscribe, because you're going to see a lot more helpful hints and videos on this channel. So, all right, so let's open it up. Okay. Ooh, it's well packaged. Comes with a spray, and there's the hose, and it has a handle on top. Just lift that sucker out. It's not awfully heavy. It's probably about 40 pounds, I would say. Now that's going to hook onto the hose, to the faucet, and then we're going to mount this on this swivel here, so that it's a permanent mount. So I suppose this is the mount. Everything's well packaged, which is nice. Yep, that's the swivel. It's got some nice big masonry bolts. Oh, that's a collapse that. And owner's manual. So let's open it up and see what we have to do. So I tried to drill into the masonry to make a hole, and it just spun, or the brick rather. Thanks. No, that's okay. That's Cindy. She's my editor. So I'm going to try to get at least 3 holes into the masonry, the concrete between the bricks, leaving this 4th hole. I don't know what kind of bit I can use to get through that brick. But that's the best I think I can do. I know I can drill through the concrete, because I did when I hung the old hanger. All right. So I've marked 4 holes, 4 places hole. I've already started drilling out 1. 2 are in, or 3 of them are in the masonry between the bricks, which would be a little bit easier drilling. Getting to that 4th one with the brick, that may be our challenge, but we'll see. All right, let's see if that's deep enough for one of these. No, it needs to be a little bit. Drill it out a little bit more. Yep, that works. Perfect. All right. Oh, let's see. There we go. So I don't want to get too tight because the holes may be just a tad bit off. There we go. This is a 13mm socket. No, gosh, that's not coming off that wall easily. I only had 3 of the 4 holes because I couldn't drill through that brick. But boy, that feels really sturdy. So, let's go get our unit. Okay, now, there's a gasket there. Well, that gasket came out. Oh, I've got 2 nozzles. All right, so this is kind of handy because you could take it off and take it with you. Make it portable somewhere. Come on. Find a little hole. There we go. Got it. Now look at that. All right, so let me get the Quick Connect off the old hose. Nothing like the smell of fresh rubber. Ugh. It's kind of powerful. All right. So we got that connected. That's going to just drop off. I know. Okay, so let's see how this thing works. So you're supposed to be able to bring it out and lock it. See? Takes all the tension off. And then to retract it, just, I don't think I want to sling it like that, but anyway, you get the idea, right? So this is kind of a cheap little plastic nozzle. I got a really nice metal nozzle I'm going to use. But this is the one that came with it. There we go. Okay, it should be turned off. So turn on the water. All right. No, didn't lock. There it goes. Now it locked. There we go. So there we go. So we've got now 100 feet of hose. It's kind of thin hose, but it's got enough water pressure going through it.